Hello, 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 hello. So, I had a nice little nap the other day. Well, last time I saw you. Let's go and close down some of these bloody windows. What's going on? Right, let's try and see where we got to. So, I think what we need to do first is see that wonderful background. How many tabs, windows do I have open up? Right, there we go. Oh. It was the worst idea using Windows. Future video for you though, me installing Windows. Looks like I've turned into a Windows YouTuber as well nowadays. I can't do anything right on Linux, might as well switch. Okay, so here is the Vortex 86 device, which is the subject of today's video, actually, coming out at about 6 o'clock today. We're currently, well, we're flying through these packages, actually. We're nearly done full time64 conversion. So I'm hoping by tomorrow this should be finished. We'll keep an eye on that one. There's not really much we can do. We might as well just stick that in the corner. We can watch it go. We all like a little bit of compiling, don't we? But the reason why you're all here is we were doing the new live CD. Did you not get one? Gutted. Okay, so for those who are new, every stream Damien manages to become a new follower on Twitter, Twitch, bloody hell, not on Twitter. And all I get in my inbox every day is his name, which, yeah, right up there, one of my favourite things. But right, so we have been trying to convert the Gentoo live CD from running on Kernel to disk kernel. We spent the last few streams getting that all built so we can start testing. Let's try and see if it boots now. You know about spam filters, right? Yeah, but if I start messing around with them, I'll end up banning all Twitch stuff. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So this is the first ever Gentoo live CD with Gentoo kernel.bin rather than Gen kernel. Good sign when you can see grub boot. We'll just sit here and wait in your own time, love. And there we go. Switches over. Not sure that the seg fault's a good thing, but I don't think it's anything to do with what I've done, so we'll ignore that. But yeah, look, we're in. Perfect. Yeah, so the good news is then we have now got this kernel working. Now the difference is that Gen kernel builds for a 4K and 64K thread size, if I remember correctly. And apparently if you build file systems with one, it won't work in the other. So we need to go and check today to see, is that still true? So I think the first thing we're going to do is fire up this. As you can see, hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube. Let's go read the log. So if I do Gentoo reeling, specs, PowerPC, wherever you are, little Edian. There we go. Open power hardware primary, but kernel also support for. Right, okay, so it's just saying bullshit. We need to ship both 4K and 64K page kernels, as some file systems can't be mounted on 4K if created on 64K. Butter being one of them. So, I think what we do then is we're going to make a hard drive for this, and then we'll see if we can get it to mount in different setups. So first of all, I'm going to try. Right, let's first close this down. Let's then go to home Imelo. Let me try and work this out. So if I make a QEMU hard drive image, we'll call that QCal2, and we'll just make that 5 gig. What we'll do is we'll try creating a butter file system on this using the disk kernel one that we've just made, and then we'll use the old live CD and see if we can boot it with a 4K page kernel and a 64K one. That makes sense. We'll see what happens and see where we go, because I don't really understand this thing. I've never really come across it. Alright. So drive file equals... This makes sense to everyone. Okay. Apparently I can't spell Vertio. There we go. Hi Ben, how you doing, mate? After the stream yesterday, I had a nap, I think around about 11 o'clock. Woke up at about 11 at night, so bit of a nap. I was only supposed to go for a little hour. Oops. Cracked out loads of videos for YouTube today though, so not, at least I had quite a productive day. You know what I haven't done though? I need to turn on this stuff. Oh, I don't want to turn music on that. Here we go. Let's get my overlays all working. There we go. Now it feels like a stream. I could do a video on. Actually, I think I've got videos of me installing macOS. Oh yeah, classic. You know what, maybe I'll do a macOS Hackintosh video, just to teach you how to do it, because obviously you seem to be struggling too much. So proud of myself right now. Well, yeah, maybe I'll do one of those then, break it up a little bit. Right, okay, so what we got here. So, if I do ls/dev VDA. Do we see VDA? Yes, shit. So I need to do cfdisk /dev VDA. Just make that a DOS partition, new, 5 gig, primary, right. Excellent, so that's done. And then, can anyone remember how to make a btrfs file? Did it make fs? Oh, it's just that. Okay, and then I should just be able to do mount /dev VDA1 /mount Gentoo. Okay. You're supposed to go and not waste my time. Doesn't like it when his plans don't work. Okay, so I think that's set up. So if I power this off now, and what we'll do is we're going to use the old live CD and see what happens. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 4K pages and 64K pages. So we're going to try the 4K page first. Just wait for that to boot for a second. In your own time. Whoa, what happened there? Maybe I should lower that memory down a bit. I am still streaming, right? Yep. I have no idea what happened there. I guess we'll just wait for this to boot. How's everyone been anyway today? Oh, there we go. Come on, in your own time. Oh god, I hate how slow this emulator is. It's like the best emulator in the world, but as soon as you got to do stuff that you're waiting for, and it's just a nightmare. Nice. To be fair, I'm just sitting in bed. Surprised I got a back left sometimes. Here we go. I could just work from it, don't know why I'm not doing this. You need me to do everything for you, don't you? You need to teach you how to do it all. Okay, here we go. So, let's see if I can mount that. So if I do mount /dev VDA1 /mount Gentoo. Seems to be working. So if we now reboot then, it shouldn't work in the next version. The 64K one, yeah? Give it a go. You know what I think's happening? I think that the key map's stuck here. You know when it asks to change your key map? I think it happens a bit earlier. And it's just before we get to see it. I bet when this changes over, we'll see it. Yeah, I think it is happening a bit earlier. Oh no, it's the wrong fucking ISO, you twat. Oh my god. I should just shut up sometimes. That's probably the most stupid thing I've ever said. I know I'm not using my ISO. Why did I talk like it was my ISO? I'm not often embarrassed, but this is one of those few moments. If only Zelda was a good game, eh? Says the man that liked Sonic and absolutely did shit at it the other day. I don't like Zelda, I don't know why, I just can't get into it. Maybe I just needed to play it when I was a kid to understand it. You just can't finish it. I get bored playing it. Which is weird, because I get loads of views for it, to be fair. I just don't have fun doing it. Well, there was better, wasn't there? When Zelda 64 came out, we had Final Fantasy 7. Okay, so if I do mount VDA1. See, that works as well. I think that's because that seems like it's working, doesn't it? You don't know what you're doing. Yeah, I've got no idea. It should have failed. But it didn't. And that's good news, really. But I can't explain it I have to try and explain this to a developer to say, I'm not seeing what you see. Well, to be honest, I think we've proved this works. This is a bit of a beat for a SNES game, isn't it? Right, okay. Well, finally then, after how many days we've been working on this PowerPC project, it looks like we've got it working. And, fuck me, what an achievement that is. So, at least we know we probably won't need to bother with the second kernel hack tricks that we did last time. So, okay. Well, that looks good. I suppose what I should probably do next then is go and fix some work stuff. I need... Right, let's go download. That shit, where have I put it? Where's the web browser? Yeah. Night, Benji. Have a good one. Good luck getting up in 4.5 hours, mate. Fingers crossed for you, boy. You've got no chance, though. Oh, just download it in. I'll move over in a second. Okay, so I need to release a new patch for work. Don't know how that's going to look, but we might be able to crack out a quick build before we shoot off, but let's see what happens. This really doesn't sound like a SNES thing. Oh, that's why, because it's a bloody baseball game. Home downloads, stage 3. The default, yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, duh. File name changed. Dickhead. Yeah, so you're like this one, Damien. I accidentally wiped all the tempters, didn't I, for my work builds to make space for Final Fantasy VII. Oops. I hope I haven't wiped the binaries. Somehow that's your fault. Actually, I think it was your fault because I think you were telling me to download it in 2 places. Uh-oh. Nope, I need to redo all the binaries. Shit. Why did I delete all the binaries? Let's go and say hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube, how you doing? Oh no, I have got binaries. Why? I don't know why some are changing. Interesting. Did you install Mate in Windows? No, I didn't actually. Wow, to be honest, you might have to watch a video and find out. Right, well, I don't think I can do another 4-hour stream today. We've done, I think we've done 3 this week already, haven't we? So I'm going to leave this to build. We've done our major job, and I'm going to go and speak to some developers today. So thank you all for popping along. Only a short one today, like I say. We've had some big long ones this week, so I think for now I'm going to go and have another little nap. But I'll catch up with you all later on, and have a good one.